Biomass Pellet Production Project, a profitable path to sustainable growth. With the growing demand for environmentally friendly energy and the global transition to renewable sources, biomass pellet production has become one of the hottest investment areas in the energy sector. By converting agricultural residues, forestry byproducts, and other organic materials into efficient fuel pellets, you not only generate profits, but also contribute to a greener future. Below is an in-depth look at the biomass pellet production process, potential challenges you may encounter, and effective solutions to help you plan your investment with confidence. Biomass pellet production process. Raw material collection and pre-processing. The first step in biomass pellet production is to collect suitable raw materials, typically including wood chips, crop straw, and bark. Once collected, the raw materials undergo pre-processing, which involves removing impurities, drying, and crushing. The result is uniformly sized particles, ideal for pelletizing. Drying process. Crushed raw materials are then dried to achieve the optimal moisture content, generally between 10 to 15%. Excessive moisture or dryness can affect pellet formation and combustion efficiency. High-quality drying equipment quickly and evenly reduces moisture in the raw material. Pressing and pelletizing. The dried materials enter the pellet mill, where they are compressed under high pressure to form pellets. This step is crucial for controlling the density, strength, and size of the pellets. Stable equipment operation is essential to ensure consistent pellet quality. Cooling and screening. Freshly pressed pellets are hot and fragile. They must be cooled to improve hardness and storage quality. Once cooled, screening equipment removes fines and non-conforming pellets to ensure product quality. Packaging and storage. After cooling, the pellets are packaged, usually in sealed bags to ensure stability during storage and transport. Proper packaging and storage prevent moisture reabsorption, extending the pellet's shelf life. Potential challenges and solutions in production. Inconsistent raw material quality. Challenge. Varying quality across batches of raw materials can lead to fluctuations in pellet density and combustion characteristics. Solution. Establish multiple raw material supply sources to ensure a consistent feedstock. Additionally, adding a pre-treatment step allows you to blend materials, which helps maintain uniform pellet quality. Improper moisture content. Challenge. Incorrect moisture levels in raw materials can lead to poor pellet formation, resulting in loose pellets and subpar combustion performance. Solution. Use reliable drying equipment and monitor moisture content throughout the drying process to meet ideal moisture standards. Automated drying control systems can improve both drying efficiency and accuracy. Uneven or fragile pellet surface. Challenge. Inconsistent pressure or temperature control during pelletizing can result in cracked or easily broken pellets. Solution. Regularly maintain and calibrate pelletizing equipment to ensure stable operation. Adjust pressure and temperature parameters as needed to achieve the optimal pellet density and hardness. Equipment wear and malfunction. Challenge. Intensive continuous operation of pellet production equipment can lead to wear and tear, reducing production efficiency and product quality. Solution. Implement a regular maintenance plan, promptly replacing worn parts. Quality equipment suppliers often offer comprehensive maintenance and technical support, ensuring long-term stable operation. Pellet storage issues. Challenge: pellets may absorb moisture or become damp during storage, negatively affecting combustion efficiency. Solution: use moisture-resistant, waterproof packaging and maintain a dry, well-ventilated storage environment. Installing a humidity control system can help monitor and adjust warehouse conditions as needed. Seizing the investment opportunity in green energy. A biomass pellet production project aligns perfectly with the global push for clean energy, offering investors vast market potential and profitable returns. By choosing high-quality equipment, managing operations effectively, and following a scientifically designed production process, you can ensure both the efficiency and longevity of your production line. If you're considering entering the biomass pellet industry, we're here to provide expert support and services to help you seize this valuable opportunity in green energy.